Hello everyone and welcome to Adventure with Toby. Today I'm gonna show you, teach you, give you some tips and tricks how to crush a stream. Let's do it. So what you first want to do is you have to pack your gear waterproof. That's why I always have a trash bag in my bag when I'm out hiking and I know I'm coming across a stream or something like that where I have to cross it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of my clothes off and take some rain-proof clothes on. As you can see now, I've used some movie magic and changed off camera. And I'm gonna use my shoes on because I know in this stream there's some things I can cut my feet on and I don't want that. So yeah, what you should do right now before I go in is leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, it's very cold here, so my coat is. And the reason why I put it in the back is so it floats and it's really cold. I barely fit down here. I can barely fit down here. So yeah, I just crossed the stream down there. The reason why I didn't show me come up of it is because I want to get somewhere to change my clothes and get some dry clothes on and get some more warm. So that's the reason why. I hope you liked the video and let me know what you think about it, and see you in the next video.